Tired of staring at charts and missing crucial trading opportunities? In this video, we're going to show you how to use Bybit's conditional orders to automate your trades and take control of your profit, even when you're not actively watching the market. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the trading interface. For the contract you wish to trade, locate the order placement panel. You'll see different order types available. Click on the order type drop-down menu, select conditional order. This will reveal the conditional order settings. Now, pay attention. The first field is the trigger price. This is the price point that needs to be reached for your order to be activated. Think of it as the condition that needs to be met. Enter the price at which you want your order to be triggered. Next, you'll specify the actual order you want to place. Once the trigger price is hit, enter your desired order price, which is the price at which you want to buy or sell, and the quantity of the contract you wish to trade. Pro tip: Bybit also allows you to set a take profit and stop loss within the conditional order. Check the boxes to enable these and enter your desired profit taking and loss limiting price levels. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and double-checked everything, click the Place Order button. Your conditional order will now be visible under the Active Orders tab. Here, you can monitor its status and make any necessary adjustments or cancellations before it's triggered. And that's it. You've successfully set up a conditional order on Bybit. Now you can relax, knowing that your trades are automated and ready to execute based on your predefined conditions. Good luck.